Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, April 14th, 2023. It is 4:34 and 40 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, Lightening Discovery. So let's hop to it here. Lightning strike discovery creates phosphorus material, date April 11, 2023. Source: University of South Florida. A lightning strike led to a chemical reaction, creating a new material that is transitional between space minerals and minerals found on Earth. High-energy events such as lightning can cause unique chemical reactions. In this instance, the result is a new material, one that is transitional between space minerals and minerals found on Earth. Geoscientists have never seen this material occur naturally on Earth. Minerals similar to it can be found in meteorites and space, but they've never seen this exact material anywhere. When lightning strikes a tree, the ground typically explodes out, and the surrounding grass dies, forming a scar and sending electric discharge through nearby rock, soil, and sand, forming fulgurites, also known as fossilized lightning. Homeowners discovered the lightning scar. They found the fulgurite and decided to sell it, assuming it had value. Researchers purchased it and later began a collaboration with the research of mineralogy and crystallography. And together, the team set out to investigate unusual minerals that bear the element phosphorus, especially those formed by lightning, to better understand high-energy phenomena. It is important to understand how much energy lightning has, because then we know how much damage a lightning strike can cause, on average, and how dangerous it is. As Florida is a lightning capital of the world, and lightning safety is important, if lightning is strong enough to melt rock, it can certainly melt people too. In wet environments such as Florida, researchers say iron will often accumulate and encrust tree roots. In this case, not only did the lightning strike combust the iron on the tree roots, but it combusted the naturally occurring carbon in the tree as well. The two elements led to the chemical reaction that created a fulgurite that looked like a metal globe. Inside the fulgurite, a colorful, crystal-like matter revealed a material never before discovered. As geologists attempted to remake the material in the laboratory, the experiment was unsuccessful and indicates the material likely forms quickly under precise conditions, and if heated too long, it will turn into the mineral found in meteorites. As previous researchers indicate that lightning reduction of phosphate to have been a widespread phenomenon on the early Earth. However, there is an environmental phosphate reservoir issue in Earth that these solid phosphate materials are hard to restore. Geologists say research may reveal other forms of reduced minerals are plausible, and many could have been important in the development of life on Earth. According to geologists, it is unlikely this material could be mined for uses similar to other phosphates, such as fertilizer, given the rarity of it occurring naturally. However, geologists plan to further investigate the material to determine if it could be officially declared a mineral and bring additional awareness to the scientific community. And this is a professor on advanced physics, space science, mathematics, and leader of research, and this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.